Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. Do a video walkthrough on this Boston whaler Outrage. As you can see, it's equipped with triple 350 horsepower Mercury Verados. This boat does have the optional joystick, roughly 320 hours of use on the motors. Two large Raymarine multi-function displays. I've got the chart plotter, sounder pulled up here. This boat is equipped with open array radar as well. You got push button to start, Lenco trim tabs. There's your digital throttle and shift, and then that joystick, which makes docking a dream. Also equipped with that option is skyhook. Pull up to the fuel dock. You need to get your fenders and dock line situated. That's going to hold you in one place while you're doing that. Also included in that is autopilot. Either side of the helm seats you've got refrigerators. You've got a flip down footrest there. These bolsters flip down so you can slide up there and sit down or use them as a leaning post. Got two large in-deck fish boxes. This boat had the optional chiller. It is in op, and the owner is selling it as is without having that repaired. There's your boarding ladder for the dive door on this boat, which is really nice. Easy to open, easy on and off, easy to get big tuna in, and you also have a transom door there. Live well underneath this. Let me pop this open so you can take a peek. And pier rigging station. Sink, grill, storage drawers below, trash can. Coming up to the front, you got a shower there, huge subwoofer down below, trolling seats on either side, port and starboard side. Coming up to the bow, you've got this large lounger, got a little UV damage on it, one area here. All in all, the cushions are in good shape, just got some UV damage and a small split there. There's that open array radar that I was telling you about. You can see aluminum outriggers. Coming back around to the bow, you've got electric high-low bow table, and then bolsters on either side. Anchor windlass up there. Fusion stereo remote control. Forward fish box with pump out up there as well. Let's take a quick peek down in the cabin. Stepping down below, got a berth area there, ride holder storage over to the port side, small sink, microwave oven, head compartment obviously in there with shower. Got AC control, fish box control, which I mentioned to you is an op. 45 hours on the generator. Actually, one of these controls is going to be for cockpit AC, sorry, and the other one is for cabin AC, and then your fish box freezer plate that is in op is down below. Whaler's owner's manual. There's the subs, extra speakers. Got a starboard flip down seat, aft flip down seat. Mercury vessel view display up there. Again, two Raymarines down here. Guys, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to look at this 380 Boston whaler Outrage. If you have any questions about this or any others, give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.